Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. This session continues from our previous video, Event Handler to CefSharp 2. This is our previous video. In our previous video, this is the state of our previous video. If we click the link, that opens pop-up window like this, and this pop-up new frame is displayed outside of this application that we developed. This is the state of our previous application, and in this session we will implement like this. If we click pop-up, then it will open in existing Windows frame, and if we go back, we can go back like this. And essay, if we click essay, as the title of the web page is updated properly. This is the state of our previous video. In our previous, if I go back, then here this is the state of our previous application. It opens pop-up, but in this session, if we click it, it will open in the existing window. To implement, since we continue from our previous video, please download the source code by clicking this link. It is quite big, so please take patience. If you have problem in downloading the sample source code, our previous source code, please write email to me, then I will send you the files or FTP link. I will close it. Say, if download is successful or completed, please unzip it. This is sample code of our previous session. Then rename the folder O3. Then copy the solution. Copy. Then paste it to your working folder. This is the solution we are going to open. Open it in Visual Studio 2015. In the Solution Explorer, right-click My Chef Browser and make a Startup Project. This is Startup Project. And click My CefSharp Web Browser again. We will make a few set changes here. Root namespace CefSharp Web Browser. I will change it to TalkPlayFun. I changed the root namespace. Save it. Then in header file, right click, view code, then change this namespace to TalkPlayFun, TPF again. Save it. Then in class view, click this and see view, double click it. We also need to change this TalkPlayFun. Now save all. Then in Solution Explorer, right click, reveal the solution. It should build successfully, and Ctrl F5 to build and run. Okay, it runs properly. So we hide the dialog boxes for the time being like this. Now close it. Close it. We will, in the course of this video, we will first learn how to use interface inheritance in C++, CLI or .NET framework. We will implement ILifeSpanHandler interface. And we will also use keyword delegate and event. We will create a custom delegate and its event. How to sync event handler for our custom event. We will deal with these things in this video. First, we will add, right click in Solution Explorer, right click CefSharp Browser, select class, then select the class, then add. Please make sure managed is selected. Then we say ILifeSpanHandler. Then in base class it should be ILifeSpanHandler. Okay. Then click finish. Now save all. Then here namespace talk play fun. Please fix it like this. And also don't forget putting it public here. It should be public. Okay, we have to modify like this here. Also name space talk play fun like this. Modify like this. Also in stdafx here include ILifeSpanHandler. Save. Then we can close it. Here I will give some information about this. Please refer to this document. We will be using this document, ILifeSpanHandler. This is CefSharp documentation. I will copy the link for your reference. Okay. Save. Here, if we refer to this interface, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 methods. We have to implement these in here. I will start with here, close. Now here in copy C++ code, copy this code in ILifeSpanHandler CPP, paste it here like this. And then next one, copy this function header like this. Then this one, copy header like this. And the last is a big copy like this. Then copy all code, all function header up to this point, copy and paste it here. Now it should be virtual. You can see virtual like this, fixed like this, virtual like this, and also virtual like this, and virtual like this. Your code should look like this. Okay, your code should look like this. I will make it look prettier. Okay, then save it here. Now like this. This to close method. This method by default, it says for default behavior return false. So we will return false. And we will implement this. It does not need to return anything. Also, it does not need to return anything. Like this. And in this case, we have to return. So if we refer to this documentation on before Popup, it says to cancel creation of a pop-up window, return true, otherwise return false. we want to cancel creation of pop-up window, so we have to return true. Return true. Okay. Here it is creating pop-up window, so we can set new browser to null. Also set it before new browser to null ptr like this. Save it. For more information, please refer to this CefSharp documentation. I will put the link here once again. Now save. At this point, now let's compile this file. Ctrl F7. Okay, we have error message out attribute not found here. Using namespace system runtime interrupt service. Okay, save this. Then here Ctrl F7 again. Now it compiles successfully. Select ILifeSpanHandler header. Here we create a delegate. We define a delegate. Define a delegate like this. Public. It should be public. Public delegate void beast new URL system object sender. We just say system object system string. This will be URL. This is delegate. Please don't forget public here. Then close it. Then right click, compile. Right click Safe Browser, view code here. We will disable it. Then here browser ILifeSpanHandler here gc new ILifeSpanHandler. This is ILifeSpanHandler of our own. It means is an instance of this class. This class. And we will add a few functions here. Here public section void set URL system string URL this browser load URL like this. Before loading URL, I want to make sure URL is not null. To do that, you can say if system string is null or white space URL. Yes, we will fix like this. Save. Then field, right click, rebuild only CLL safe browser. Sorry, before we do that, we will add, let's see what's the problem. Talk, play, phone, lifespan. Sorry. Copy this text here. We have to fix like this. Okay, save it. Please note that here we declared an event handler here. We declared an event handler here. Then we add one, we declared a delegate here. Then we public section event visit new URL. Here we are adding a member event. Go to URL. This. Okay, save it. We will add event handler here. Also copy this code from here. Then we fire event handler like this. This fire trigger event. Okay, this, and it takes URL string. Okay, please note that we defined delegate visit new URL. Visit new URL takes an object and the string as its parameter. So here inside the class we defined visit new URL delegate go to URL. This is instance of this delegate. Then we fire event, we trigger event in action like this. Okay, so save all. In C++, CLI, do not do like this. Do not test. Do not do if null ptr. It doesn't work. Okay, in C++ CLI, don't do this. Okay, now rebuild the CefSharp browser. We should build successfully like this. Now close all. And class view, CefSharp browser view here. We are going to add event handler, event sync here. So I will put anywhere like this, void. No, I will put it here, void on visit new URL. It should be system object sender and system object URL. Declare a member function like this and copy it to anywhere here. I will put it here, or I will put it before register event handler. I will put it here. Then like this, save it. In the header file again, we have to add event delegate here. Event delegate entry on visit new URL system object system string. Okay, save it. Now we have to register this event handler here. Double click register event. And here browser ILifeSpanHandler. We have to convert it like this. Talk play fun ILifeSpanHandler handle like this. Okay, then we have instance. Go to here. No. This is the instance. Go to URL. Then we are adding event handler. Make delegate. Then delegate is this. Delegate means this one. This name. It should be talk play fun. And the member function is on visit new URL. Okay. Now save. Now save and compile. Control F7. Okay, it works. Now copy this part of code. This is register event handler, and this is unregistered, so we have to put this. Now save. We saved all. Then here on initial update, I will add one more member function here too, like T talk play fun set browser control get control. I will make a function, one more function. I can put it anywhere. I will just put it here. Here. Then return this CefSharp browser get control. Okay, I save. Then on initial update here, this get control, then set URL. Set URL is this function. We made set URL here. Right click, view code. We made set URL here, so we put it set URL www.talkplayfun.com. Okay. Now save it, and once again on event handler, we created event handler here. Okay, you can say this get control, then set URL. Okay, now save all. Now control, now rebuild, build solution. We have to change it to the system string. Save it. Also in CEP browser view class, we have to change it to string. Okay, then now control F5. Now our program works as before. I click another link, essay, for example, and coding. Everything seems to be working as before. And at home, At home, if I click this link, now it doesn't open pop open, it opens in existing window. So going back and click the link, now it opens in existing window. In this session we implemented ILifeSpanHandler interface, and we also defined delegate and event, and we also implemented event sync. This way we learned quite a lot in this session. It can be a little bit advanced or difficult if you are not accustomed to, not used to this kind of programming. However, it is rewarding. It worth its effort. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.